Hey y'all, don't mind me. I haven't had Wingstop in forever. I don't know if they feel like working. Because for the last 3 months, if they don't want to do nothing else, they don't want to work. So we're going to see tonight if they feel like working. Fries already given they don't want to work. Too much damn seasoning. That's why I don't be messing with y'all no more, Wingstop. Oh, wow. No, I haven't had this in a long time. Damn near bit my nail. Okay. Y'all try to do a little 1-2 with the corn. Let me see if my chicken got oil on it. One thing about y'all, Wingstop, easy on the effing oil. Like, damn. Shucks. That's why I don't eat fast food like I used to no more, y'all. Y'all notice I'm not greedy no more. It's whatever. I'm just hungry. Before I go to bed, I couldn't go to bed hungry again tonight. I needed me something. It's hot though. I'm over here struggling with this little wing. I don't know if I'm hungry or they feel like working tonight. I honestly don't know. Woo. That Coke, that'll do it for you. Wingstop. It's always a hit or a miss with y'all with these come with these French fries. They're either not done, overcooked, or over salty. Y'all just can't get it right. I'm gonna still eat a little bit because I'm hungry. And I got some mango habanero chicken tenders. Whew. That's how bomb that looks. Now these little MFs here, these are hot. I haven't had Wingstop in so long, y'all. And honestly, I don't even miss it. Drinking a Coke with, mango habanero is diabolical. That is insane. Y'all, I ain't got no lashes on. I ain't gonna lie. Work, dropping the collection, restocking Kitchen Envy. Next week, the Nice Spice, the pots and pans, the cookware, the cookbook, the grill, dropping by the Envy. Baby, I have about 4 to 5 mental breakdowns a week. Baby, I cry my lashes off. One thing about me, I'm going to have a whole mental breakdown, cry it out, walk out like nothing ever happened. I just think one thing for sure. All I be saying is, God, please give me strength to get through this day. The devil works hard, but my God works harder. Whew. And y'all be like, where you been? You MIA, you MIA. Excuse me, y'all. I'm sorry, but like working for real. Excuse me. Oh, excuse me. It's hard to work and try to be on social media every day. Y'all, I don't be having a wig on. I don't be having no lashes on. Nails be missing. I be trapping. I be thugging it out nonstop. I don't think y'all understand how I be behind the scenes. And, baby, prayer without work is nothing. I be so deep into my word, my prayer, I gotta get to work. I can't just let God do it all. But when they all drop, but when I be dropping, y'all be seeing like, oh, she did her big one. She did a little one too. And I'm not gonna lie, Body and Envy, that collection right there, woo! Almost took me to the king, baby. I was so stressed out with that collection. For one, production time was crazy. The cost of the material was insane. The cost of the production was crazy. The importing and exporting fees is another problem. And then the taxes to get it cleared, customs, is a whole nother problem, baby. And another thing I want to talk about. Why, when African Americans or black business owners come out with a brand or something, y'all always want us to lower the price. Why is it this price? Why is it that price? But then y'all go spend y'all money elsewhere and don't be asking them about the price. Like, I just be like, Dad, y'all, that right there, that's a whole nother situation. You know what? Sometimes it be like, I'm going to just let y'all have that. Because one thing for sure, if y'all knew what goes on behind the scenes, it'll be completely different. Y'all will not have that same energy, y'all. It's crazy to me. And sometimes it be making me feel sad. Because it be like, damn, I work my ass off. I invested so much into this brand, the quality, the content, the packaging, to deliver. And y'all just kind of be sometimes, not all of y'all, just some just be like, damn, it's nothing. And y'all can literally look and be like, that quality is A1. She did her shit. I cut no corners at all. I just never understood that at all. Why y'all do that? Not everybody, but that'd be so crazy to me. And if y'all know, I don't fuck around when it comes to the quality of my products either. I never did. I had enough of this Wingstop, y'all. That was it. It did what it was supposed to be done. I'm good. I don't want it no more. Won't be having it for a while. I'm about to go read my books, write in my prayer journal. Good night.